Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jurassic Wars here, back with another vlog. This one should be a rather long one because road trip. That's why we're sitting in me dad's truck, because we're going all the way to his parents' house, and then we're going to, where is it, Dana? We're going to Georgetown, South Carolina, and we're just gonna have a whoop-de-doo time. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna go fishing. We're gonna catch, maybe Anna hopes we're gonna catch some sharks. But I want the people to see that dance. Can you do that again? She's special. But anyways, I'll see you. Oh, Anna. When we get there.
Yes.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jurassic Wars. We are back from the car ride from yesterday. I didn't have a chance to vlog yesterday because we just went to dinner and went straight to bed. But yeah, we're getting ready to leave. We're gonna go see Uncle. Not gonna vlog that. But I will vlog when we start the ride over to our hotel, and then we'll just see what goes from there. We'll probably go to, if the hotel has a pool, we'll go there. We'll be spending the day at the beach. It's gonna be awesome. We'll do some beach vlogs. It's gonna be the best time ever. Yeah, guys, I'll see you there. Hey guys, sorry I couldn't do any recording when we were in a hotel or something like that. I hope I got some swimming shots of the pool, but this morning we're gonna do fishing. It's 6:30 or something like that in the morning. We have to be at the dock at 7.
It's too early for this.
Yes, my lovely sister is
Hello. My hair decided to look good today.
for the camera. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna get some. We're gonna do some awesome fishing. How long do you think we're gonna be out, Anna?
We have to leave
At least 2. So we're gonna have some time. Ooh, sun's starting to come up over there, something like that. That might just be the camera. I don't know. But anyways, it's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. It's the main event for this whole trip, and it's been well deserved. See you on the boat. Hey guys, we are at the landing dock. I'm not sure exactly what time it is, but we're here. It's gotten a little brighter. The bridge, all the way over there. It's pretty awesome. Not gonna lie, not how I imagined today would go. But we're gonna do the best that we can. Apparently there's a paper plant out. Actually, I know there's a paper plant. Not at the loading dock, but, oh God, there's a guy right there. Actually, that might be my uncle. Sweet. I'm gonna get out the way really quickly. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Oh my God, he followed me the entire time. Why? He literally followed me as I was trying to get out of his way. Why? I bring food.
Man.
Lots of more sugary stuff.
Alright, I got a place for it.
Yay! I have a spot. I'm just gonna put the food in all the bags.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Put this right here.
Alright.
My Krispies.
I hit him in the boat from Bodie.
That's right.
Well, that dog find anything. I thought Jill'd be here, to be honest, because she was like, see y'all in the morning, so.
Chicken out.
What a shame.
That's right.
Are we?
I'll be right back. Put some of those waters in that front cooler if you would.
Alright. So now I've got to put waters in the cooler.
I think I could set it up.
To where? We have lift off.
You've already made a mess.
These are my parents arguing in the background. Lovely time we're having today.
Turn the stupid thing off.
Why?
She on the battery today.
Morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Good. How about you?
We're all right.
The tip for the boat.
Headed toward good once you wake up.
Yeah, they will.
Did he woke us all up? Yeah. No, he woke us all up.
I'm sorry. God.
Oh, you're talking about Mom. They're messing with my mother because she snores.
Clay's been tromping around with his muddy feet.
Yeah, already.
I'm sorry. I come down here and the place already got one. Again, that's just for a living. He's basically another Blackbeard. More mod. Oh, something was in the water.
A fish.
It might have been a shark. No, because I just saw a little fin. Like it's the
you're
water
imagining
source.
stuff.
Oh no, I'm not.
Dressed
That's my crackhead sister voice. I've been saying that for a while in this vlog. I've been wanting to say that for more time than you can imagine.
Our injection on top of our head. It's fine.
She's special. Shots fired!
All right, let's take a quick run up and see if we can catch a live mullet.
Ah, yes.
Here we go, Chris. I
I'm
don't want you to fall off.
I'm sitting
going in
at
to get
the
you
wheel.
good, so be ready. Everybody ready?
Yep.
Yep, let's do this.
Hang on tight. Here we go.
I don't want my it's in there. Awesome.
You're not gonna have any battery.
Oh my lord. This is amazing. What we're doing. Hello. There's some folks.
Get ready to film the fish jumping.
Alright,
This is where we were last night.
we're about to film the biggest fish jump this YouTube channel's ever seen, boys. The waves is slowing down. My hair looks just bloody amazing, it does. Hey guys, we're at our spot. It's considerably brighter since we left the dock. We have a line out. I guess we'll continue to.
Some college credits.
This is our fishing pole that I'm watching out over. And right now, I'm gonna come back when I have a fish. I might have my mom or sister record it though. See ya! Guys, I think Anna's got something. Come on, Anna. This is going on the first catch of the. Oh, look at that! She got a ray. Hey, bud. Yeah, go catch breakfast. I already had McDonald's.
See where that
Bye, dude. She's got another one.
Nice and smooth, nice and easy.
You're not going to. Just give it a.
All the way down. Reel up. All the way down. Now reel up. All the way down.
Come on, Anna.
Pressure on the line. Just don't. There you go.
This sucker. He's trying to go under the boat.
There he is.
Oh!
She caught what she wanted.
Shark.
Now we're done. No more.
Got a shark. What is it, Anna? What is it, Anna? Ooh, that looks like a reef. You ain't done, Anna.
Get him, dude. I got you. All right.
Go down.
Let him take it. Now. Reel on the way down.
Good, Ariel. What you got there, bud? It's big, whatever it is. Go
What's the
for
matter,
it.
man?
Turns out it's a tiny little ray.
It's trying to go under.
Okay, well,
Just
reel.
Don't let it.
Lift.
Almost.
No, you got a long way to go.
Oh, I got another one.
Holy cow,
That's a big one.
That's actually that's an unusual one.
I did it, guys.
That's a cow nose.
All right, no. Oh, God.
All right, do me a favor.
You're not getting away.
Just hold on to him. Walk down. Walk down here so that you're not on that. There.
That is on camera. That is a big one. Throw me. I want to see him fly. Recording? Yes. Okay. Sorry, guys. But this spot yielded no fish. We had a shark, a ray, and a big ray for me, but no fish. So we're just gonna go to another one of his spots and see what we can find. Getting a little bit cloudy, but that should change with the weather. But yeah, see you there. Last look at this view. Hey guys, we are in the car. Doing a recording. I'm doing a recording, Dad. I'm wrapping up the video. We are in my dad's truck, heading back towards our house. I caught another one of those big rays. Tiny rays. Sorry, I gotta be quiet. Everyone's asleep. I caught a tiny blue ray. There's lots of. Anyways, if you want to go, and again, that was my uncle. He actually does a lot of videoing. He does a lot of videoing himself, editing. He taught himself how to edit. He knows his way around the camera. He knows all that. So if you want to go fishing anywhere around there, you can probably look up some people. If you want to go fishing with him specifically, like you book time with him, go to CaptainPonytail.com. That's his little nickname. You can probably book something there. I looked at the website. It's easy to navigate. But yeah, guys, we didn't catch any fish. We just caught sharks and rays. There wasn't anything else to catch. We didn't have that much luck with the fish, which is probably gonna happen out there because we had to wait a lot. But anyways, guys, giant shout out to him. Big thanks for him for letting us do time with that. And yeah, guys, happy Labor Day. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. And be free, be humble, and be you.